Hey YouTube, welcome back to my kitchen. On the menu today, we're going to be making chicken chow mein. For this recipe, I'll be using chicken breast. I have about 3 chicken breasts here and I'm just slicing them thinly. What I do, I just angle my knife and just go through with it, and that just gives you some nice thin slices. For this dish, I'll be using some grated ginger, grated garlic, chopped onions. I've got chopped scallions and, a kind of carrot that was on its way out, but we're going to be using everything. So after I've cleaned up my chicken, I'm just going to go ahead and season it up. I'm using some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and also going to add a little bit of cornstarch and some toasted sesame oil. After I've done this, I'm going to put this to one side and work on my chow mein sauce, which includes some oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and also some toasted sesame oil. To a heated pan, I'm going to go ahead now and start sauteing my chicken. Try to separate the chicken as much as possible, because once you put the cornstarch on the chicken, it will start clumping together. Just try and just spread it out evenly in your pan. Now I'm literally going to saute this for about a minute per side because it's chicken breast. We don't want it to get dry, and we've cut it pretty thinly. So once I've gone ahead and about a minute per side, I'm going to go ahead and add some of the chow mein sauce just to give it a little bit of color. Just toss this for about another 30 seconds. I wanted some extra color, so I did go in and add a little bit more of my dark soy sauce. Once I've done this, I'm going to go ahead and remove the chicken. This whole process should take you literally about 3 minutes. During this time, I did have my pan on the heat with some hot water ready to cook my noodles. Now these noodles cook pretty quickly. It does say about 5 minutes. So really quick. So go ahead, get your noodles in. Then I'm going to start sauteing my veg. So first of all, I'm going to go in with the garlic and the grated ginger, toss that around for about 30 seconds. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients, excluding the green parts of my spring onions. Do let this saute for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to go ahead and I had about a handful and a half of bean sprouts. This literally will take about 30-40 seconds just to lightly toss around. Then I'm going to add a little bit of my dark soy sauces again, just to give this a little color. After this, I'm going to remove my stir-fried veg. Now I had a little bottle of sesame oil, so you have to drain it out. Went in with this in the pan, then I'm going to go ahead and add my noodles. Now we want this to kind of just start toasting off for about a minute or so. Add your chow mein sauce, give this a good mix. If it's not dark enough for you, then, well, I think it wasn't dark enough for me, so I did go ahead and added a little bit more of my dark soy sauce. But if it's fine for you, then just leave it how it is. Go in with about a couple of tablespoons of your toasted sesame oil, give that a good mix. Then go ahead and re-add your stir-fried veg as well as your chicken. Do make sure to add the green parts of your scallions, spring onions. Then go ahead, just Give this a good toss around. Make sure you incorporate all the flavors. And after this, your chicken chow mein is ready. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you reached this far, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment if possible, and also share the video. Now I'm just gonna plate up a bowl. Once I plated up this bowl, I do like to go in with some chili oil just to add a little heat, because I just love the stuff. And there you have it, guys. My chicken chow mein is ready to be eaten. Lovely, quick weeknight dinner, especially these heat. You don't want to be in the kitchen for too long, so something like this is just absolutely perfect. Thank you once again for watching my video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will sure to catch you in my next video. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.